E-Vidhyalaya is an online training platform developed by C-DAC Tirunelveli. It provides online training along with browser-based hands-on lab sessions to the participant without the need to install any software in his PC or laptop. During this current COVID pandemic, where in-person learning is unsafe or impossible, E-Vidhyalaya provides an opportunity for self-paced learning with focus on the skills that the learners wish to enhance. Also, E-Vidhyalaya overcomes traditional online training platform drawback of lack of practicing environment by providing a virtualized practicing lab, enabling the participants to practice what they have learned and ensures that trainees can subsequently deal with real-life incidents. Some of the salient features of E-Vidhyalaya are Moodle-based MOOC platform, virtualized lab environment with practice questions, quizzes and hands-on lab, centralized console to create a course, customize and manage virtual lab environment, customized virtual environment with multiple OS support for each course, dashboard for course and virtualized environment monitoring and management, browser-based access to virtual environment, single sign-on between training platform and virtual lab, facility to download, report, documents, etc. generated as part of the lab to the local machine. No technical knowledge for course administrators required to create a course and lab environment. Virtual lab resources are automatically released as and when the user logs out of the training platform. E-Vidhyalaya allows participants easy access and unrestricted participation to any course of their choice. For more details, contact us.